Okay, today I'm going to show you a program called Revo Uninstaller. It's available for a free download from cnet.com. As you can see, the editor's given it a 10, so that's a very good rating. Now, I would also go to the home page for Revo Uninstaller and have a look at their features page, and that will give you a very good rundown on all the different features inside this program. It's got the hunter mode, which is very easy to use. You enable that and just drag and drop the icon of the program you want to uninstall straight into that, and you'll see some different features that will come up when you do that. There's a junk files cleaner, Windows tools, auto run manager, which is good for you, keep your startup running clean, the browsers cleaner, MS Office cleaner, Windows cleaner, and an evidence cleaner, also an unrecoverable delete. So there's some of the features there. Now I'll just show you the program itself. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this. Okay, now just minimize that. We're going to do this in safe mode. As you can see, there are 4 options. There's just the normal uninstaller, safe mode, moderate mode, and then the advanced mode. If ever you do go to the advanced mode, be sure you really know what you're doing, because you can mess up your registry if you don't know what you're doing. So just a note of caution there. So just hit next. Okay, and as you can see, it's come up, are you sure you want to completely remove CD Burner XP? And I'll just say yes. Okay, now it's telling me it's removed it. What I'm going to do now is go back and I'm going to do the moderate mode. Okay, now that's just going through, making sure that it hasn't left anything behind, and that'll give me the option to delete anything that it does find. Okay, it's pretty quick. Let's see if it's found anything. Okay, hit next, and there, it has found some stuff. Now I'll just go into that, and anything that's highlighted in bold can be deleted if you're pretty sure it is related to that program. Now I'm just going to have a look. Now that looks pretty right. So that's all to do with CD Burner XP. Okay, now I'm going to let that delete that, but I have enabled the system restore on this program, so just say I do muck it up, I can always go back and do system restore, and that's what you can do also if you happen to do something that's not quite right. Now it's saying, are you sure that you want to skip? Oh no, I do, I want to delete it. Yes. So yes, are you sure that you want to delete the selected registry items? And I say yes. Let's delete, and that will go through and delete those. Okay, it's found a couple more things. See, it does clean things up pretty well. Hit delete. Yes, I do want to delete. Let's go into the recycle bin. Hit next. And look, I could go back and do the advanced. Let's do it just to see if it does find anything. Next. Now it's scanning for any leftover files. These advanced settings do take a little bit longer, but if you want a clean system, it's worth doing. Hit next, and let's see. It's completely uninstalled successfully, so I can hit finish and that's done. Now I'll show you the tools section in this. You've got an auto run, so I can go through and untick anything that I really don't want to start up every time I boot up, and that will give me a more efficient startup. So you've also got another tab here, Windows Tools, and that gives you shortcuts to some handy links in Windows. You've got your junk files cleaner. Now if I hit scan, that will start scanning my system for any junk files. So this is more than just an uninstaller. It's got a few handy utilities built in. Okay, it's come up with a few things. So I've cleaned this up not long ago, so there isn't a lot in there, but there you go. It shows you how easily that's done. So there you go, that's Revo Uninstaller. Go to the download links that I've given you and give this a go. I think you'll find it worth having on your system.